My name is Kes. I am 13 years old. I live in Cavite City, the Philippines. And this is my story.
Sabi ko po, ako po ay naninirahan sa kadiliman dahil po pati po yung pagkasunog ko po nun po. Tapos po yung mga masakit po, pati yung mga pambubugbog po, yung...
Kes is only 4 years old when he has no other choice than to run away from his abusive home. Like many other street children, he tries to survive at the dump site. The conditions are horrible. Day and night he is exposed to danger. Kes falls in a pile of burning tires at the dump site and is severely wounded. Reaching out for help, there is only one man who cares, Mr. Hanin. He takes care of Kes and becomes his guardian. At the age of 7, celebrating his birthday for the very first time, he does something special. Instead of asking for gifts himself, Kes decides to give gifts to the children still living on the street, and thus started his gifts of hope.
Wala po akong perang ibigay. Meron po akong pagmamahal na pwede ko po ibahagi po sa ibang tao.
Dozens of volunteers have joined his organization championing community children. Kes does a lot more for street children. He educates them about personal hygiene, explains them their rights, and takes care of their wounds. But above all, he gives them hope. He has already helped over 10,000 street children. To thousands of children, Kes is a great inspiration. He is an inexhaustible source of hope. He is their hero. That is why he is the rightful winner of the International Children's Peace Prize 2012.
These young people show the incredible resilience in the human spirit. And I congratulate this year's winner.